Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ashfaq and in this video we will learn what is const keyword in Kotlin and what is the difference between const and val. So let's begin. Here I have mentioned some point related to const keywords. Let's go through with these points and then we will move to the coding part, and we will understand with the help of some code. Okay, so here first point, in Kotlin const is a keyword used to define compile time constants. Here what is compile time constant? So don't worry about it, we will understand it with the help of some code. And the second point, const can only be used at top level of a file or instead inside an object declaration or a companion object. Okay, next point, the value assigned to the constant must be computable at compile time. This means that it cannot depend on runtime values or function calls. Don't worry, we will understand it with the help of code also. Next point, in cases where a constant's value cannot be computed at compile time, you should use a regular val variable instead. So we will understand these points with the help of some code. So let's start with the code. So let me create one variable here, one constant variable, const val name equals to Ashfaq. Okay, and let me print this variable, print name. So friends, what do you think? Should this name will be print or it will give some error? According to me, it should give some error. So let's run. So as you can see here, error came, modifier const is not applicable to local variables, correct? So as we have seen in the points, like we can declare a constant type variable at the top of the file or inside object declaration or inside companion object. So here I have declared this constant variable inside a main function, which is a local variable. This name become a local variable here. That's why this error came, modifier const is not applicable to a local variable. Okay, so let me make it as a class level variable. Let me cut it and paste it outside the main method. Now it should work. So let me run this code again. Here name is printing, my name is Ashfaq. Okay, and the second point says name. Here let me call a method my name, and let me define this method here, function my name, and let me give a return type, a string, and return one value, a string type value, which is my name Ashfaq. And so now what will happen? According to the rule that we have seen, that a const type variable must be assigned at compile time, but here I am calling a method. It means the method call happens at runtime, so it should give an error because it is not a compile time assignation here. So let me run it. So here it says const val initializer should be a constant value. Here it is a it is not a constant value, right? So if I make a val keyword, val name 1 equals to my name, and let me print here println name1. So here what will happen, this name1 will print my name, but println name, this will not print because so make it a constant. So make it a constant variable like anything, hello. So now it will work. So hello Ashfaq, here it is printing hello Ashfaq, because here I am calling my name method and assigning it into the name1 variable, which is of type val. So always remember, const variable should always have a constant value, means it should always be assigned at compile time, means we cannot call a method and assign it in a const variable, and const variable should not be declared inside a method call, right, because that will become a local variable, so that is not allowed. Okay, and as you know, as we all know that val keyword is val type variable can be assigned anywhere, like we can also assign inside the main method as well. There is no restriction in val. So let me run it and it will print same hello Ashfaq, right? So this is all about const keyword and val keyword in Kotlin. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe and like my channel, and if you have any suggestion, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much.